Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your device is having the issue where your SIM card is not being detected, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to fix that issue. So let's just go ahead and start the process to fix it. First of all, let's head over and restart our phone. You can long press on your power button for that, hold it up, and when you do, you will be finding an restart option on your screen. So go ahead and look out for the restart option and confirm it up. And when you do, that should often resolve the temporary glitches that prevents the phone from detecting the SIM card. Apart from that, what you can do is you can check your network settings. Head over to device settings. For that, go ahead and open it up. And once you open up your device's settings, you may go ahead and look out for the option for network and connections or network and internet or connections and tap on it. And from here, what you can do is you can go to SIM and network option or mobile networks. Just go ahead and tap on it. Or you can go to SIM card manager as well. Go ahead and tap on it and ensure that the SIM card options are enabled on your screen. So ensure that both of these options are enabled. If those options are not enabled, you can just go ahead and enable it by confirming the toggle option right beside it and click on OK. And that should turn on the SIM, and that's it. If necessary, you can even manually select your carrier as well, your network carrier. So just go ahead and select it. You can head over to mobile network for this one. Go ahead and tap on it. And from there, just go ahead and select your network carrier. For example, the network operators, tap on it, and there you can just go ahead and select automatically, or let your phone choose it, or you can even manually go ahead and select it. Apart from that, you can try resetting the network connections as well. You can head over to settings for that, and once you are there, you can scroll down and go over for the option called general management and go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you may just scroll down to the given options and find the option for reset and tap on it. And then when you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding option for reset network settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And from there, you can find the option for resetting settings. Just go ahead and confirm it up and reset it up. And go ahead and do so. This is the method you can apply up. And the next thing you can do is you can just go ahead and check the SIM card as well. You can turn off your phone and take out the SIM card and inspect the SIM card for any visible damage or dirt. You can clean it up and try reinserting it again and try and see if it works on your device or not. And that's it. And those are the solutions you can try out if you want to fix the SIM card not detected on your Android device. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.